This video will overview the procedure to replace the headlight bulbs on a Craftsman LT2000 lawn tractor. The procedure is similar on any lawn tractor or garden tractor make or model. We will discuss the decision on whether to install traditional incandescent bulbs or to use the newer light emitting diode or LED bulbs. After ensuring that the ignition switch is in the off position and the tractor key is removed, the first step is to lift the hood and twist the headlight assembly out of its socket. This is accomplished by rotating it and then simply pulling it out. To remove the bulb, it needs to be twisted slightly. Then the locking mechanisms are freed and the bulb can be easily removed from the assembly. There is an opening in the plastic assembly you can look to confirm that this is done correctly. Reverse the procedure just performed to install the new light bulbs. I removed the LED bulb and installed it into the left headlight assembly. Then I remove and install an incandescent bulb and put it into the right headlight assembly. LED light bulbs typically cost at least 3 times or more the price of traditional incandescent light bulbs. The LED bulbs provide a different color light, typically white/blue. Incandescent bulbs, in contrast, are providing more of a yellow light. LED bulbs are not affected by premature failure due to vibration damage to the filament. That is because they do not have a filament. LED bulbs are more energy efficient and draw less of the tractor's power. In addition, LED bulbs tend to emit an instant bright light, while incandescent bulbs sometimes have a warm-up time and emit light with a softer tone. Incandescent bulbs involve heat emission from the bulb filament, which LEDs do not have. Also, LED bulbs do not contain mercury or other similar chemicals. Overall, LED bulbs ought to last longer than incandescent. However, one major advantage incandescent bulbs have is that they are cheaper and more widely available than LED. Now that the LED bulb has been installed on the left assembly and the incandescent bulb has been installed on the right assembly, the next step to follow is to turn the lights on. Now on the LT2000, it is necessary to actually turn the tractor on. On some other models, it may be possible to turn the ignition key without actually turning the tractor on and to have the bulbs light up. An additional factor on the electrical system on some tractors is that the engine must be revving at full speed for the light bulbs to be lit at the maximum capacity. Please refer to the owner's manual for your tractor. From my observation, the incandescent bulb was much more affected than the LED by the RPM of the tractor engine. In conclusion, based on all of the factors discussed, I found that the LED bulbs offered significant advantages over the traditional incandescent bulbs. Therefore, I decided to replace the right bulb with the brand new LED bulb. Here is the result on the tractor with both LED lights being installed. Please leave a comment below on your thoughts regarding LED versus incandescent bulbs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.